the entire way as we go throughout the next 16 minutes as we're tracking this tornado warning. This is a radar indicated tornado at this time. Let's go ahead and step out of the way here. We're going to show you that velocity product again, and we're also going to give you an idea on what direction this tornado warning is moving in, as well as the speed of this tornado warning. All right, we're looking right now just to the north of Claypool. At this time, this is where we're looking at a velocity couplet. So, Claypool, you've just now been cut out of this tornado warning. Pierceton, you are still in it. Warsaw, you're no longer in it. So, if you're currently along near Pierceton, as well as US 30, you need to be into cover right now due to a radar indicated tornado warning at this time. This does include Winona Lake. This is currently moving northeast at around 65 miles per hour. So I'm going to put on a storm tracker for us to be able to get an idea on what times we can anticipate this storm moving through. All right, so we're going to be watching the storm moving through fairly quickly, and Pearson is going to be moving in within the next 5 or 10 minutes or so. That's the town of most concern for me right now, because we're watching this couplet moving through north of Claypool near Indiana 13 at this time, moving up towards Pierceton. It's moving at 65 miles per hour at this time. So we're going to go ahead and take a wider look while I show you Storm Tracker Live Radar. So you can kind of get an idea on where we're looking. So there is a severe thunderstorm warning for Kosciusko County at this time. We're watching that tornado warning valid until 11 o'clock this evening for Kosciusko County. This is just outside of Warsaw at this time. So we're looking at Barbie Chain and Pierceton. You need to be in cover right now. If you're along US 30, you need to be into cover. There's currently a radar indicated tornado warning at this time. We're seeing a tightening couplet on a notch just to the north of Claypool. We're watching kind of this bowing segment right now, kind of near Pierceton. So here's the area of concern that we're looking at. Right through here is our area of concern at this time. It's currently moving up to the northeast at around 65 miles per hour. My greatest concern right now is for you, Pearson, as we are right along 30 right here. So let's go ahead and let's take a look right now at velocity scan to see what type of wind speeds we're looking at, take a look at rotation and things along those lines. Okay, so we're still seeing that bit of a couplet right now. I'm going to circle here on your screen exactly what we are looking at right here. That is our area of concern. It's currently moving northeast at around 65 miles per hour. Pearson, it's your time to be into cover. The good news is this couplet has weakened a tad. However, we're still under that tornado warning. Pearson, I need you to be into cover now. Right now, that couplet is currently moving over top of US 30. So I'm going to point this out for you. I'm going to put on a wind speed right here. Try to get an idea on what the winds currently are. Okay, so we're looking at around 72 miles per hour in this couplet at this time. We're looking right along here, right over top of US 30 at this time, moving northeast at around 65 miles per hour. This is eventually going to track right over Indiana 13. So once again, we're in Kosciusko County. There's a tornado warning until 11 o'clock. That's why we're cutting into your programming right now. We're looking just to the north and west of Pierceton. We have a couplet right now, circulation, which is kind of where we start seeing all those winds rotating around themselves, moving just to the north of Pierceton. So if you're in this area, now's a good time to be able to go to your safe place, go to your basement, go to the lowest level of your home at this time, or the most interior part of your home. those are the best places that you're going to be able to be right now. And a good thing too is to be nice and calm. That's always a very important part of a situation like this. So, once again, we're looking at Barbie Chain. You are also included into this tornado warning at this time. So we've just seen this tornado warning get cut back a little bit. So if you're in Warsaw right now, you are clear to come out of your safe place. If you're in Claypool, Sydney, you are right now safe to come out of your safe place. If you're currently around Princeton up to Barbie Chain, if you're along Indiana 13, now's the time for you to be able to go into your safe place right now. I'm going to put on regular radar for you right now, something you're a bit more used to, and you're able to see kind of this bend coming out of the storm right now. So we're going to go ahead and point that out for you, what we're looking at. We're looking right in here. This is our greatest area of concern at this time as it continues to move towards the Indiana 5 just south of Barbie Chain. However, I still need you to be in that safe place. Lowest level of your house, interior room. If you have an interior bathroom, that's a great place into your bathtub. Those are fantastic places to be during a tornado warning. We're continuing to track this for the next 10 minutes is how much longer this warning will be going for. So 10 more minutes of this warning, and we're also watching that severe thunderstorm warning for Kosciusko County. That's also until 10 o'clock. So we're going to back out of this. We're going to reset real quick. I'm going to show you all the watches and warnings that we currently have going on at this time. You can see that severe thunderstorm watch has been cut down some for us. A little bit of Elkhart County, you're currently under severe thunderstorm warning. The only tornado warning that we have at this time is in Kosciusko County. So the severe thunderstorm watch is for St. Joseph County, Michigan, LaGrange County, Elkhart County, as well as Kosciusko County. So we're going to go ahead and take a look right now at Storm Tracker Live Radar. Right where we're watching is right in this red box along Indiana 13 near Princeton at this time. This tornado warning is going until 11 o'clock. So that is currently what we're watching at this time. You're currently under tornado warning. This is a radar indicated tornado warning. We haven't seen any reports of anybody physically seeing a tornado on the ground at this time. However, we are seeing radar indicated rotation, so we need you to get in your safe place at this time. I'm going to pull back up the velocity scan. Okay, so we're seeing this. It's getting really close to the radar, so it's getting a little bit tougher to see this rotation. We're seeing it move just to the south of Barbie Chain right now. Right here is where we're looking at. It's right over top of Indiana 13 at this time. It's currently moving northeast at around 65 miles per hour. So this thing is moving through our area, through Kosciusko County, very, very quickly. It's currently getting to Indiana 5 very, very quickly. It's going to pass near or just to the south of where you see this Indiana 5 sign. So here's Barbie Chain, and here's Indiana 5. It's currently over top of Indiana 13. We're going to go ahead and show you a little bit on how fast we're seeing these winds currently spinning around themselves, although it's going to be fairly tough with how close this is currently to the radar right now. Okay, so we're currently looking at around 70 miles per hour in that spot right now. So these are stronger winds. So once again, we do need you to get into your safe place, especially if you're around Barbie Chain on Indiana 13. Those are going to be your best places right now to be able to get into shelter. You're going to want to get into shelter calmly, but go ahead and walk to your shelter. Get in your safe place at this time. You are under a tornado warning until 11 o'clock at this time. Storm Tracker Live Radar is currently showing that that tornado warning has currently been extended for parts of Kosciusko County. This is still radar indicated. This does now include parts of North Webster. North Webster, you are now under this tornado warning. This is valid until 11:15 tonight. So we're watching this right now, 11:15. There's not supposed to be any hail with this at this time. Take a look here at Storm Tracker Live Radar. It's really hard to see anything at this time because how close this tornado warned storm is to the radar right now in North Webster. Right now, the National Weather Service has said a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over North Webster, or 9 miles northeast of Winona Lake, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. So right now, this thing's currently moving around interstate speeds. This thing is moving across the area very, very quickly. So once again, if you're in North Webster, if you're just outside of our area in Indian Village and Wilmot, you need to be in your safe place for us. This is a tornado warning until 11:15. I'm going to go ahead and put a storm track on this. Okay, so we're currently looking Indian Village. Your arrival time is around now. So we're currently wanting to get into your safe place as soon as you can. This system is moving through the area very, very quickly. So this is a tornado warning. We don't have a confirmed tornado on the ground. Nobody has seen a tornado at this time. However, we are seeing from the radar that this storm is capable of producing a tornado. That's why we're currently breaking into your coverage at this time as this storm continues to move through Kosciusko County. You can see the times right here on when this storm is going to be arriving in this cone right through here. Once again, if you're along the Indiana 5 and if you're near North Webster, I want you to be in your safe place right now. Once again, that is interior room, interior hallway, lowest level of your home. Those are your best places right now to be able to stay safe from the potential for a tornado at this time. So right now we're currently tracking this moving across the area. This is just due to some the couplet is still continuing on as we move through parts of Kosciusko County. So let's go ahead, let's reset, let's have a look here at what alerts we have across the area. So right now we're seeing that tornado warning only for Kosciusko County at this time. We do have a few counties in that pink under a severe thunderstorm watch right now that is valid until 2 o'clock tonight. That tornado warning will be going on until 11:15. We're going to be staying with you as long as this tornado warning is in Kosciusko County. We're not going to go anywhere. We're going to be with you the entire way. If you're going into your safe place right now in Kosciusko County, feel free to take us with you, whether that be on your phone or turn up your television as loud as you can. I'm going to be there with you wherever you are at to make sure that you are safe as you go through this. We're continuing to watch this line continue through parts of Kosciusko County until 11:15. Kosciusko County and Noble County and Whitley County, they're currently under that tornado warning at this time. A look here at velocity. It's very hard to see where that couplet is right now. That couplet is probably fairly close to where our radar system is right now in North Webster. We're looking right around here, around the Indiana 5 at this time. Once again, if you're in Indian Village, I want you to go ahead and take cover. If you're in North Webster, I still want you to go ahead and take cover right now if you are in that tornado warning. Anyone inside this box, I want you in shelter immediately. Pearson, you're looking better. I still want you to stay there because you're still under a tornado warning. Same as Barbie Chain. You're looking better. I still want you to be in those safe places for just a little bit longer until those tornado warnings are either allowed to expire as well as if they're canceled. So go ahead, hang out there for just a little bit longer. We're going to continue to walk you through. Once again, North Webster, Indian Village. I need you to get in those safe places. This tornado warned storm is starting to go towards US 33. We're looking right now Indiana 5. So we're continuing to track this tornado warned system through Kosciusko County right now until 11:15. Okay, here's this line for us. I'm going to go ahead, zoom out so we can see a little bit more on where this is heading. So you can kind of see where this system is kind of bowing out. It's bowing out some, and at times we've seen a little bit of what we call a dog leg come off of it. Just this little bit that'll come off of this line. That's where we're kind of watching rotation kind of moving through parts of the county right now. We're watching it continue to slowly but surely move out of our area. It's moving at around 65 miles per hour. So we're continuing to watch it right now. North Webster, I need you in your safe place. And anyone that's inside one of these tornado warnings, go ahead, go to that interior room, stay good and calm. Right now, a tornado has not been spotted at this time. However, we're still watching for the potential of a tornado forming in this line. Okay, so that far southern tornado warning has been allowed to expire, and right now Kosciusko County has just been taken out of that tornado warning. That is fantastic news. So now Noble and Whitley, you are now under that tornado warning until 11:15. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to show you this alert map real quick, and then we're going to get you back to either your regularly scheduled programming as well as your 11 o'clock newscast. So right now, the only place that we're seeing a severe thunderstorm watch is St. Joseph County, Michigan, LaGrange County, Elkhart County, and Kosciusko counties. That tornado warning has been canceled for Kosciusko County. If you're in Kosciusko County, you are now in the clear. You're good to come out of your safe places, and we're going to continue to track those showers and thunderstorms across the area for the rest of the evening. We're now going to be getting ready to go to our regular scheduled programming as well as our 11 o'clock newscast.
First, fast.